Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to learn how to create unique bullet points that stand out in your Canva designs? Click Create and choose New Presentation. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and select Icons. This will open a collection of icons that you can use in your presentation design. Select Graphics to view available icons for bullets. Browse the options, then choose your preferred icon. For this example, I'll select this one now. Scale the object size to your preference. Next, add your text element. Position the text right beside your bullet to create a clear and organized visual grouping for your content. Drag the handles to adjust the text box size, then click inside the box to enter or edit your text as needed. Change the formatting to bullet point 1 by selecting the text and clicking the bullet icon. Select the text, then click the Align Left button to align your text to the left. Select both the icon and the text, then group them together to keep them as one object. After grouping the objects, you can resize them simultaneously by selecting the group and adjusting its dimensions. Paste to create another bullet point. Paste again to add as many bullet points as you need. Double-click the text to edit it. Make any necessary changes according to your specific requirements. Select the text, then choose bullet format number 3. You just learned how to customize bullets in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.